Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are upgrading the fog lights on my 2024 GR Corolla with this awesome SSC1 LED fog light kit from Diode. These are designed specifically for the GR Corolla and they're a direct replacement for the factory fog lights. So that means there is absolutely no modifications needed. And let's jump in and see what makes these lights such an amazing upgrade. Alright, here's what comes in the box. We have two SSC1 LED pods with advanced TR optics for high efficiency and focus. We also have these 3D printed brackets that were designed by Fox Beam Lighting for factory style fit. We have plug and play adapters to connect directly to your factory bulb sockets, and we also have these T-tap connectors and all of the mounting hardware that you need. With everything ready to go with this kit, makes it super easy to install, so let's get started. All right, the first step in removing the factory fog light assembly is by locating the screws or the plastic clips. Once the clips are removed, we're going to pull down the plastic panel here so we have access to the fog light housing. The next step is to remove the 3 Phillips head screws that are holding in the fog light housing, and make sure you keep those as well. They will be reused. Then you can disconnect the harness. Make sure you keep all of the screws because they will be reused to insert the new fog light housing. All right, here we have the factory fog light out, and I'm going to put the new fog light in its housing, 3D printed housing. It goes in just like this, and then we're going to insert the bolt through here, and then the nut goes on the side. Goes in just like that, and I'll tighten that up in a second. Do the same for this. This is the hardware pack it came with, but you don't need all of it because this comes with a special adapter. So all you need out of this kit is this long bolt here and this nylon locking nut. You have to put the bolt in from that side because you can't do it from the other side. Okay, all right, I'm gonna get an Allen key and a wrench, and we're gonna tighten those up, and then we'll connect them. I wanna go too tight, but tight enough where it goes in place. Same thing on this one. Okay, those are in there. And the next thing we're going to do is connect the plug and play harness, one for each side of the car. And this comes with a auxiliary wire that you can connect into daytime running lights or side marker or something like that. Not sure if we're gonna connect this right now, but we're gonna install it and make sure the lights look great and everything. We may come back and install this later though, optional. So this plugs right in here. Your snap. And this one plugs in right here. Snap. And this just plugs right back into your factory harness, and that you're pretty much done unless you want to have them with the backlight feature on, which will be a lighter setting for just for the look. And then when you flip on your fog light switch, and they're going to be the full brightness. So optional, do it or not, it's up to you. Now it's time to wire things up. Kit includes a plug and play adapter that connects directly to your fog light sockets, no additional wiring is required. If you want to use the amber backlight feature, you can use the included T-tap connectors to power it from the desired circuit, like your parking lights or your auxiliary lighting. All right, we have the driver's side installed with the Diode new replacement, and the other side is still the factory bulb, but let's turn them on so we can see a comparison side by side. And to put everything back together, you just do it the way you took it off. Put the screws back in place and put the pop clips in place. And that is it. And that's it. Your GR Corolla is now rocking a set of the SSC1 fog lights from Diode. This kit was super easy to install and it looks incredible. And it provides unmatched performance and quality compared to the factory fog lights. So if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of the upgrades and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.